Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to install Android 13 and Samsung One UI 5 Beta on my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Stay tuned. Okay guys, the process is simple and easy. No jailbreaking required. All you need to do, go to your search button, your search app drawer, and select Galaxy Store. You should have it on your Samsung device. And then from Galaxy Store, you can search for Samsung members. So we're going to go ahead and type in Samsung members, and you're going to see that it's going to show up on my device. And from that, you can download the application. So let's go ahead and search for Samsung members on your Samsung Galaxy Store. So we're going to type in Samsung members, and then we're going to hit on search, and it's going to come up nicely. And it is a very simple procedure. All you need to do is just register for Samsung members, and then after that you can go to software update and you can download the Android 13. And as you can see it here, this is the application. So I search it and I'm gonna download it on my device. So guys, I checked on my Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. It was not available. It didn't give me any option. But when I went to my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, when I go to the Samsung members, so I'm going to open the application, and then we're going to scroll. You're going to see something that says Samsung members. And from that, when you click on that banner, it's going to open up the registration process. So this is it right here. So I'm going to scroll again to get it back on my screen. And from here, I can click on it. And then it's going to ask you to register. So we're going to click on this. It says One UI Beta program. So we're going to go ahead and install it. So it's going to ask you, when you click on it, it's going to ask you to register. So the registration process is very simple, because before you download this application, you need to log in into your Samsung account. But since I am on my Samsung account, I'm just going to click on register. So when I click on register, it's going to say that are you all set? You already registered to One UI Beta. And this is the process. When you click on it, it's going to give you a lot of readings. So all you have to do is just agree with it and hit continue. And then after that, you can read up a little bit if you want to. And then at the end, you can hit on continue, and then you are all set. You registered. And as you can see here, I'm going to click on continue, and then that's it. This is the notification that shows that I am enrolled into the beta program. And now I'm going to close this application, and I'm going to go to settings. So when you go to your home screen, you can go to settings, and from that you can go to software update. You can scroll all the way down and you go to software update. And after you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you're going to see software update. That's where you click, and then it's going to download the application automatically on your device. It is very, very simple procedure. You don't need to jailbreak anything. But as far as I know, it works on my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And also it says Samsung Galaxy S22. And this is the application. You can hit download and install. So once you do that, it's going to do its magic. You're going to see it's going to start downloading. And let's open it up. And you can read up a little bit if you want. It tells you what's new and everything. And as you can see on top, it is downloading the application, the software. And it says downloading update. And you can read up what's new. And as you can see it here, it says One UI 5 upgrade and also Android 13. So the download process takes a while. It took me 18 minutes. It all depends on your Wi-Fi signal. If you have a stronger Wi-Fi, you can download it faster. But for me, it took about 18 minutes. And while it is downloading, you can read up some changes and some new features that are available on this new software. So this is One UI 5 Beta along with Android 13. It is very smooth. It is very easy download. All you need to do is just register, follow the procedure like I showed you from the beginning. But I'm not too sure that if it works to all Samsung devices, because I tried it on my Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. I didn't get that option. So we're getting close to the end of downloading the software, and then after that we're gonna install it, and you're gonna see your device gonna reboot itself. And it is a very simple procedure, and it is almost done, guys. This is very nice. You're gonna see that the application is very easy to install, and this is it right here. So we're gonna hit on install after you read all your agreement, update, read and install, and then from here you're gonna agree to all and then hit install, and it is installing it on my device. So guys, I hope this update is available on your Samsung. It all depends on what kind of Samsung do you have, but as far as I know, I tried it on my Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. It was not available. However, it is available on Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, S22 and S22 Ultra. And keep in mind that this is only beta software. It might not be totally clean, so you might see some bugs on your device, but at least you get to discover the Android 13 and also One UI 5 beta. And as you can see, it is done installing. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the phone, and I'm gonna take you to my settings, and then from there you can see the software. And I'm gonna come back with all the animations and also the new features that the One UI 5 beta has. But right now I'm only showing you how to install it on your device. And now we're going to go to settings, and then we're going to scroll all the way down. We're going to go to about, and from about you can see the version, the Android 13 and also the One UI beta 5. So this is a close look of what I have right here on my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So we're going to scroll down and we go to about, and this is where it says One UI version 5.0 and also Android version 13. So this is a magic. It is really cool. So I get to discover the Android software before its final launch, and also to discover the One UI beta software before its final launch. So when you double tap on the Android 13, this is what you get. So this is the sign of the Android 13, and it is very nice, you know. So there's no backup required. You don't have to back up your phone or anything like that, because everything is over the air. You know, you get the update from Samsung. So you go to your settings and then go to software update, and as you can see here, it shows me software update Android 13 One UI beta 5. That's what it shows on there, and it is just nice. So guys, give me thumbs up if you like this video, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video on YouTube. And this is a notice. It tells you about the software, that it might not be totally clean. You might experience some bugs on your device, but again, at least you get to discover the latest Android 13 that's not out yet to public. So you get to discover it, and also you can download the beta every time there is a beta available for the One UI 5.0. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification. Thank you for watching.